Hello, now we're gonna start preparing the retained earnings ledger, and then we're gonna see how retained earning would be prepared, and we're gonna see the EBITDA approaches. There are two approaches to calculate the EBITDA, and we're gonna see it here in our forecasted income statement, which we created earlier. Don't waste our time. Let's move to our task. On your screen, you have a forecasted income statement, PP schedules. I have added some rows. Now we can use these rows to prepare the retained earning statement. So now I'm gonna type the retained earnings. So how retained earnings have been started? We got the opening balance. We add the net profits. Next, we distribute some dividends, and we get our closing retained earnings. Yes, we got our result. Alt H. We have opened the home tab. Now I need the double border. Pressing the B, I need the bottom and the top border. Let me start from the opening retained earning. I'm assuming that my old retained earning was 980,000. Next, I got to see the net profit for the year and the dividend paid ratio. Let's go up to the assumption sheet, and I'm gonna type here dividend paid ratio. So yes, it's a percentage. I'm assuming that we are paying 3% dividend for all of the years. Yes. So yes, dividend paid is 3% of the net profit. I got the net profit gonna be multiplied with the dividend paid ratio. It is a 3% as I'm working in 2019 actual result. So I'm gonna type here 3%. Yes, I got a result. Now I want to see closing retained earnings. It would be sum of my opening retained earnings, adding the net profit, and then subtracting my dividend paid to get a result. Yes, I got a formula now. Control R to get a result further. My opening retained earning for the next year would be the closing retained earning for the current year. Gonna see it here. My net profit is gonna be distributed up from the income statement calculated. My dividend paid net profit for the 2020 gonna be multiplied with dividend paid ratio. I got a result. Control R, and here we got a retained earning in a statement form. I need to bold up my result. Yes, needed further formatting. Alt H and FS for the font size to the standard 14. Yes, my actual results are gonna be shown in a green color, FC font color, and my forecasted result gonna be shown in a dark blue. I have selected the blue color. Yes. Now you see all of the formatting is gonna be great. a last thing for the number formatting, and I'm gonna press Alt H and N to open the formatting, selecting the number formatting. Now I want to decrease the decimal. Yes, I got a result. It's not a perfect one to show. Commas as well. Yes, it's looking great. So see, in a minute, we have prepared the retained earnings in a statement form. We calculated the dividend paid ratio, opening percentage of net income, closing. My tax rate was the percentage of profit before tax. I am opening, yes, loan borrowed for depreciation rate was the percentage of opening assets, closing parenthesis. I got all the results appropriately. The PP schedule. Now I'm gonna see my beta approaches, or I can use the beta calculation. As I stated earlier, there are two EBITDA calculations. One is the, you can say, one, we can see the top down approach starting from my revenue, my cost of sales, gross profit, operating expense, and the EBITDA. The next thing is the bottom up approach. Starting from net profit, we're gonna add back the tax expense, we're gonna add back the finance cost, we're gonna add back depreciation, non-operating income should be less, and non-operating expenses should be less to get a result. Non-operating expenses should be added back to get a beta. So we're gonna see that things whether changing the approach, our beta has been correctly calculated as 1787,600 for the actual result of 2019. Now we're gonna see it further. I'm gonna select the formatting up, Control C. I'm gonna copy it down. Again, I need to copy it and paste it down here as well. Here the PP schedule, I need to cut it again and paste it down to see the further result. So here, first of all, I need to calculate the top up result, top down approach. We have a revenue, we have cost of goods sold, we have the gross profit, and we have the operating expenses. We have finally EBITDA. Need to do the formatting, underlining, and from the here I want to see the net income or the profit after tax. I need to add back my tax expenses. I need to add back the depreciation expense. I need to add back any non-operating expenses. Then I need to subtract non-operating income, and we will be getting our beta approach. We will be getting a beta and the similar result. Adding back the finance cost as well, and we get a beta. I will be copying the above format and will be pasting here. Copied the formula, but it was not available yet. I'm gonna delete the formula, again applying equals to sum, and would be all together all of this result. Found it. For the net income, I'm gonna open it, and let's see here the net income. The tax expenses is the 260. My depreciation expense 725. My non-operating expenses are 0. My non-operating income is also 0. My finance cost is 195, and I got my beta result. Control R. This approach is called bottom up approach. Yes, and I'm gonna control R this result. Again, control R. Non-operating expenses are all the same. Yes. Finance cost is same for the all of the years. I got a similar result of EBITDA. If I check it, so yes, I'm gonna subtract my current EBITDA and then subtract it from the above result. I got a zero answer. Control R. Yes, we can do if statement as well or anything. We can build a formula again, and this would be shown in italic form. Alt H, and for italic I am pressing 2. Let me see it above. Yes, my assumptions are not shown in italic. Let me do it again. Alt H and 2. Yes, now you see assumptions. My bottom up approach. Need to do Control B. The font size need to be increased as a standard. Alt H. Just wait for a second. Selecting my all cells. Alt H. FS font size 14. Need to do this as well. Control B. Alt H. FS 14. Yes. Now I'm gonna select the revenue from above. Then copy it further. My cost of goods sold. Copy it further. My gross profit equals to my revenue. My operating expenses. EBITDA. I got a result. Let me click on this and find the format painter. I want to format match to result. Yes, what it has shown. The border. I don't want that border. Yes. Formatting, formatting, formatting. Selecting my forecasted result all together. And yes, we have prepared retained earning in a statement format. We have prepared beta calculation, the two approaches, top-down approach and the bottom-up approach. We got the similar result, the formatting as well. I need to say that Excel efficient. Yes, selecting actual results. Now you see my financial model have been prepared. So thanks for watching all of my videos. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and I hope I will be preparing some further videos as well, moving towards up. And then we have prepared our forecasted income statement from the assumptions. Next, the retained earnings statement, EBITDA calculations. We have the PP schedule, we have the depreciation schedule, and we performed all over in Excel. Thanks for watching it.